So friends, our today topic is writing your own tune to a given rhythm. So we have to make your own tune. They have given us rhythm. You can see the in example 1, and just same way you have to make it on your own from the next exercises. So let's straight away start the exercises. So in the exercises second, you can see write a tune for flute using the note of the tonic triad A minor. So that means tonic triad of A minor. That means we need A, B, C, D and E. We have to use these three notes to make our rhythm and use a key signature. So we have to use a key signature and finish with the tonic. So that means we have to finish with the note A because this is the tonic note. So let's start. So this is, they are saying A minor. So let's put a treble clef. Then we make a key signature, but A minor, you know, there is no key signature for A minor. Let's put the time signature. So the time signature given here, that is 9, 5, 8. That means we need to have 3 dotted crochet beats in a that means this should be the note values. That's how we're going to put it. Okay, so let's make the bar line first as they have given here, and let's make the end bar line. Okay, so let's start. So we're going to put the first note, that would be A note. Let's just name the notes. So we can make this as A, and the last note also has to be A. Okay, so the next note we can make it C, we can make then E, then again let's make it E and then C and go back to A. Okay, so we're gonna make our notes like that. The first note is A, so A, we start from here. Let's start this A. So this is A note. Now we're going to C, third space, then the E. So we can make higher E. Let's make it higher E. Then we again make a E. So let's make this E again. Then make C. Let's go back to C. And then we're gonna finish with the A. So this is our A note. Dotted minim. Okay. So we finish. Just check one more time. This is, we finish. This is very important to check because sometimes we make mistakes. So we have completed all the notes. This is crochet. This completed 1 dotted crochet. These two completed 1 dotted crochet. Then again can have this, and then we can have this one. Yes, this is fine. So now let's make the next one. Next question. The next exercise says write a tune for bassoon using the first 5 degree of the scale of D minor to given rhythm. Use a key signature and finish on the tonic. So that means D minor means we need to have B flat in it, right? And the note should be D, E, F, G and A. These should be the 5 notes, and the key signature is B flat for that. Okay, so let's make this first note as let's start with the D. Okay, let's then go to F, and then let's make it as G because we have to finish with the D. So let's make this one as F again, then E note, and then we finish with the D. Okay, so first we're going to make the time signature. Let's make this time a bass clef. Okay, and the time signature is 12 by 8. So we have to finish. There should be 4 dotted crochet beat in 1 bar. Okay, so let's make the bar line first and finish with the end bar line. So first we start with the D. So here is our D note in this one. So this is green burst stripe. So third line is D. Let's make D first, then the F. This is our F. Then the G, we can make this G here. Then the F, let's make another F this time. So we can go, let's make this F. Okay, and then we can have, we made this one. Then we make a here dotted crochet beat. Last we finish with the E. Let's make E, E, and D we finish with the D here. So let's complete this one. You can go up and down anywhere. Dotted, dotted. This one, let's finish. F, this is G, this is F, and this is D. Let's go down. Okay, so I hope we finish. Let's check one more time. So this is our D, this is F. If we check, green burst drives fast, green before G, we have F, and we finish crochet rest. Then we have E here, A, C, E, and then D here. Okay, let's move on to the next exercise. Now the next one you can see is write a tune for cello using the note of the tonic triad in F major for the given rhythm. Use a key signature and finish on the tonic. Oh, in this one, sorry, we forgot. See, this is the mistakes we make. In the time signature we have forgotten. So first we're gonna put the time signature. So let's just rub this. See, these are the silly mistakes we make. So B flat, so this should be the key signature for this, and then we make the time signature. Okay. Now we do the last one also. This is says F major. F major means the key signature is B flat, and we have to use the tonic triad. That makes we need to use F, G, A, B, and C note, and we have to finish with the tonic note. Okay, so let's start. We're gonna make a cello. Let's make a treble clef. Let's make a bass clef. Okay, then let's make the time signature, key signature, that is B flat. Then the time signature, that would be 6 by 8. Okay. Oh, sorry, you cannot see it. Now let's put the bar line. So we have to put the bar line here. Okay, now let's move on. Let's start with F. We'll start with the F, then let's make A, and then C, and back to F only. Okay, so let's start with the F. So let's start with this F this time. So we're gonna make this F, then we're going to make A, and then C, and then we finish with the F, and then crochet rest. So let's put the stem on them here, A, and then C, dot it. Just check, let's check one more time. This is one dotted complete, one dotted crochet, one dotted crochet. Yes, completed. So here we finish. This way you have checked our key signature. This is time signature, the tonic triad notes, FAC, and the finish on tonic note. Okay, now the last question says, look at the tune you have written and add some musical words and symbol that you know. Use also see page 51 for those for grade 3. So I'm not going to see for grade 3 right now. We'll do that later on. Right now let's use it from the grade 1 and grade 2 what we have used there. Okay, for this one let's start. We can write andante, that means slow, a walking pace. So let's write andante, that we write on the top. Okay, and then we can use say a dynamic of F, that makes it is a forte. Okay, I'm not using too many of them because that makes chaos. So you can, if you want to use too many, you can do that. Okay, you are free to do that. Now let's do the next one. In next one, let's make it as adagio. So I'm gonna write adagio. Okay, and then I'm going to make this as a whole phrase. Okay, so I'll put a phrase mark over here. Okay, so this is a phrase mark, and I just want to okay, this much is enough for them. Or you can just put just make a slur also in these three notes, right? You can just make a slur from these three notes. Okay, so now last one, you have last piece. You can see, you can, this one you can write, you can say this is your playing cello. So in this one you can write, let's write it as moderato. Let's write moderato, and then you can use scato in these two of the notes. Let's use over here and over here, and then you can I think this is enough. You can use, if you want to use more. I don't want to use more, so you can use more also if you want to. Okay, so here we finish this topic. If you have any question in regards to this topic, please let me know, and now I'll see you in the next topic. Till then, thank you. So friends, I have made this part of video, and I will make this after every video also, because sometimes what's happening, due to making video, a lot of things happening same time. Sometimes I also make few mistakes, so it's very embarrassing later on. So but so now what you're gonna do, after every video, when I make every video, after that I will have a small section in which we'll revise everything and we'll correct the mistakes. So in this video also, there is one thing uh, I have done is that, like, when over here I said we have to use these 5 notes. So what we have done, I have used the notes, but we have forgotten to use a note in this one. So what we have to just do, we are gonna do is, we have used F 2 times. I think this is our D note, then we have used F, and then again we have used F here. So instead of this F that we are using here, we are going to use a note. So what we're gonna do, just we're gonna rub this note over here from here, and we are going to use put a note. So this is our bass clef, and we can put a here instead of that. Okay, and we can just do this, and it's a dotted note, and we just make our this way. Okay, so this was the only thing I feel the mistake was happening in this topic. So now I'll see you in the next topic. Till then, thank you.